What if I told you the secret to faster, thicker hair growth isn't in the bottle of chemicals, but right in your garden? Today I'll show you how to make these simple herbal rings that has been a game changer for my hair.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might boo that. Full up a style.
Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Nix, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to detox your hair care routine with natural ingredients. This rings uses powerful herbs like rosemary, nettle, horsetail, and hibiscus, and that have been used for centuries to stimulate hair growth and reduce shedding. So let's start. Let me show you what I've been using for the last couple of months, and you can start doing that. In the Caribbean where I'm from, hibiscus is known as the flower of hair care, and it stimulates hair growth and gives it a natural shine. It also has vitamin C, and it strengthens the hair and prevents split end. Rosemary. Rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, waking up those hair follicles. Nettle. Nettle is packed with silica and sulfur, and nettle strengthens the hair strands and reduces breakage. Horsetail. Horsetail is rich in silica. This helps improve hair elasticity and thickness. Bay leaves. Bay leaves promote healthy dandruff-free hair with its antifungal properties, and cloves add antioxidants to nourish the scalp and reduce hair fall. I let it sit overnight for a cold fusion effect. This allows the herbs to release their properties slowly, which can enhance the gentle natural benefits without the intensity of heat. I don't want to add no heat to this. So I choose this method because it's a great way to preserve the delicate compounds in the herbs like hibiscus and nettle, which can be sensitive to high temperatures. And I find that cold fusion, I find that it works best if you use a cold fusion method. I want to run through the ingredients with you. You can use 1 tablespoon of dry hibiscus flowers or 2 tablespoons of the fresh ones. You can use 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of dry nettle, or 2 tablespoons of the fresh nettle. You can use 1 tablespoon of horsetail or 2 tablespoons of the fresh horsetail. You can use 4 to 5 whole cloves, 2 bay leaves, and 2 cups of distilled water or filtered water. You're going to add all the herbs and spices to the jar or the bowl or whatever you're going to store it with a lid. You need to make sure I have a lid. And you're going to pour the water over the herbs and let it sit at room temperature for around 8 to 12 hours. Or if you can go 24 hours, it will be good. So the next day now, you're going to strain out the herbs and transfer the infused liquid into a bottle or a container. And that's going to make it easier for your application. However, you can pour the rings over your hair after shampoo and massage it in. You're just going to leave it on. You're not going to take it off. You're going to let it sit for a few minutes. Or if you want maximum benefit, you can just leave it on. So as I said before, you can actually shampoo your hair. Then you can use the rings and then you leave it in as a leave-in treatment. I love using this because it boosts my scalp health, and it also makes my hair so dense and strong, less breakage, less brittleness. It hydrates and moisturize and condition my hair because of the hibiscus and the properties hibiscus contains, how it affects the hair follicles. This is a must, guys. You must try this rings. I promise you, you will see growth in a week's time. All you have to do is just keep your routine on point. Do this like twice a month or do this every week. You wash your hair and you'll start seeing a difference like this. This is just like a few weeks after using these rings. And this is when my journey started. And I've made a full long video for you guys to see how my hair has, grown from April until now. I also formulated the rosemary butter, which you can see in my hair at the moment, and that has helped along the journey as well. So guys, if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel. Help me to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark, and also help me to get monetized. I'm on the way to being monetized, guys, and I would love for you to help me on that journey. And look how my hair looks shiny and nice. Everything looks shiny. The strands look hydrated and healthy. And my hair is just looking good. My scalp feels good. And this is how I am looking today.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.